Chrysler. A legacy of innovation and American automotive excellence. Introduction. Chrysler is one of the most iconic American automobile manufacturers, known for innovation, luxury, and engineering prowess. Since its founding in 1925, Chrysler has shaped the automotive industry with groundbreaking designs, technological advancements, and powerful engines. From the birth of the Chrysler Corporation to its merger into Stellantis, the brand has evolved while maintaining its core principles of quality, performance, and affordability. Chapter 1. The Birth of Chrysler, 1920s-1930s. Walter P. Chrysler, a visionary in the automotive industry, founded Chrysler Corporation in 1925. Chrysler had previously worked with Buick and played a key role in turning around the failing Maxwell Motor Company, which eventually became Chrysler. One of Chrysler's first innovations was the introduction of high-compression engines, a major leap in automotive efficiency and performance. The 1924 Chrysler 6, the company's first car, featured a revolutionary high-compression engine, four-wheel hydraulic brakes, and a pressurized lubrication system. These advancements set Chrysler apart from competitors and established it as a leader in automotive engineering. By the 1930s, Chrysler introduced the groundbreaking Airflow, the first mass-produced car designed with aerodynamics in mind. Although it was a commercial failure at the time, it set the stage for future car designs by prioritizing fuel efficiency and streamlined shapes. Chapter 2. Expanding influence and the post-war boom, 1940s-1950s. During World War II, Chrysler played a crucial role in military production, manufacturing tanks, aircraft engines, and other wartime equipment. After the war, Chrysler shifted back to automobiles, introducing powerful, stylish, and innovative cars. The 1950s marked Chrysler's entry into the high-performance era. The company introduced the HEMI V8 engine in 1951, a powerful and efficient engine that quickly gained a reputation for dominance in motorsports. Chrysler's luxury division, Imperial, competed directly with Cadillac and Lincoln, offering advanced features such as power steering, automatic transmissions, and air conditioning. One of Chrysler's standout models in this era was the 1957 Chrysler 300C, a high-performance luxury coupe powered by the iconic 392 HEMI engine. It was one of the fastest cars of its time and set a new standard for American muscle cars. Chapter 3. The Muscle Car Era and Challenges, 1960s-1970s. The 1960s and 1970s were a golden age for muscle cars, and Chrysler, through its Dodge and Plymouth brands, made a lasting impact. The 426 HEMI engine, introduced in 1964, became legendary in NASCAR and drag racing. It powered iconic cars like the Dodge Charger, Plymouth Road Runner, and Dodge Challenger, cementing Chrysler's reputation for building some of the most powerful American cars. However, the 1970s also brought challenges. The oil crisis of 1973 led to increased fuel prices and government regulations on emissions and fuel economy. Chrysler, like other automakers, struggled to adapt. Large, fuel-hungry engines became less desirable, and competition from Japanese automakers intensified. In 1979, Chrysler faced financial turmoil and was on the brink of collapse. Lee Iacocca, a former Ford executive, became Chrysler's CEO and led the company through a historic government bailout, securing $1.5 billion in loans to keep the company afloat. Chapter 4. The Iacocca Era and the Minivan Revolution, 1980s-1990s. Under Lee Iacocca's leadership, Chrysler focused on innovation and market demands. In 1984, Chrysler revolutionized the automotive industry by introducing the minivan. The Dodge Caravan and Plymouth Voyager created an entirely new vehicle segment, offering families a practical alternative to station wagons. During this period, Chrysler acquired AMC, American Motors Corporation, in 1987, gaining control of the Jeep brand. Jeep became one of Chrysler's most valuable assets, fueling its success in the SUV market. By the 1990s, Chrysler had reinvented itself as a strong competitor in the industry. The Dodge Viper, introduced in 1992, became an American supercar icon with its massive V10 engine and raw performance. The cab-forward design used in models like the Chrysler Concorde and Dodge Intrepid gave Chrysler a modern, futuristic look. Chapter 5. The Daimler Merger and Bankruptcy, 2000s-2010s. In 1998, Chrysler merged with Daimler-Benz in what was initially seen as a partnership of equals. However, cultural and operational differences made the merger unsuccessful. By 2007, Daimler sold Chrysler to the private equity firm Cerberus Capital Management. The late 2000s financial crisis hit Chrysler hard. In 2009, the company filed for bankruptcy and received government assistance. Fiat, the Italian automaker, took control of Chrysler, marking the beginning of a new era. With Fiat's influence, Chrysler introduced more fuel-efficient models and improved interior quality. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, Dodge Charger, and Chrysler 300 received significant upgrades, helping Chrysler regain its footing. Chapter 6. The Modern Era and Stellantis 2020 Present. In 2021, Chrysler became part of Stellantis, a global automotive powerhouse formed through the merger of Fiat Chrysler Automobiles (FCA) and PSA Group. Stellantis owns brands like Jeep, Dodge, Ram, Peugeot, and Citroën, positioning Chrysler in a global market. Today, Chrysler is focusing on electrification and sustainability. The Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid is one of the first plug-in hybrid minivans, and the brand is expected to introduce fully electric vehicles in the coming years. Dodge continues to push performance boundaries with high-horsepower models like the Hellcat and Demon, while Jeep expands its lineup with electric and hybrid SUVs. Conclusion. A legacy of innovation and performance. Chrysler's journey has been filled with ups and downs, from engineering breakthroughs and muscle car dominance to financial struggles and corporate mergers. Yet, the brand has consistently adapted and thrived. With a rich history of technological advancements, legendary performance vehicles, and a commitment to innovation, Chrysler remains an integral part of the automotive world. As the industry shifts toward electrification, Chrysler is poised to continue its legacy, blending heritage with modern technology to shape the future of transportation.